how you can pop out Twitch chat on iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Twitch app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen. So you can see there is plus icon at the bottom of this home page, so just tap on that plus icon, and finally you will be able to see create dashboard in here. So just tap on create dashboard afterward, and from here you will be able to manage your stream successfully. So you can see there is stream manager in here, so just tap on stream manager, and once you tap on it, you will be able to see the stream manager interface in here. So if you can see, there is a option at the bottom right corner, so you simply need to tap on that edit icon at the bottom right corner of this section, and once you tap on it, you simply need to enable this chat options in here on in the screen. So once you enable the chat option, you will be able to pop out Twitch chat on iPhone successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to pop out your Twitch chat on iPhone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.